Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do unboxing of the new Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 earphones. So Sennheiser has been one of the pioneer companies when it comes to audio equipment. They have a lot of earphones, headphones, microphones, so they have a wide range of audio products, and now we're going to do the unboxing of the True wireless earphones, the Momentum True Wireless 2 that has been launched in India for a price of around 24,990, that's 25,000 rupees. So it's a premium TWS earphones, and this has a lot of additional features as well. So this is the box package. You can see the Momentum True Wireless 2, and the image of the earphones is also mentioned here. Now you can see that it comes with features like a smart pause. That means when you remove from your ear, it has this pause functionality. Then we have the customizable touch controls, voice assistant access, then active noise cancellation, that's very important, and then you get 7 hours of battery life with a single charge, and you get 21 hours with the case. So 7 plus 21, 28 hours is what you get in total. That's really good battery life. Then you also get IPX4 water rating and Bluetooth 5.1. Qualcomm's aptX technology is included here, and you can see that package what all mentioned package contents, and you can see again the pricing is 24,990, which is 25,000, and available online as well. And now we're going to do the quick unboxing. So we'll open the box package, then we'll show you the earphones, what all features it comes. So let's just peel off this sticker. So let's just take this out. So you can see that this is the welcome guide. So True Wireless 2 earphones. So let's just take this here. Then we'll just take the case. So you can see that it has a cloth finish here, looks really good, and this is the case, the charging port, and we have all the mentioned here. So Sennheiser branding is included here. So these are the TWS earphones. So you can see that these are the ones. So you can see that these are touch controls and the option to charge. We have the sensors for the wear detection. So that's the earbuds. So let's just come back to these earbuds in a while. So taking the other stuffs out. So there you go. You can see that there is a USB charging cable. So it's a Type C charging included, since it is supporting Type C. Then we have 3 cases of ear tips. So medium, large, and the small ones are included. These are the additional ear tips included. So this is the quick start guide. You can see that how to charge it. So these are the options. You can see here large, medium, small, extra small. So these are the 4 ear tips included. One is available on the earbuds. 3 are included in the box package. You can see here how to pair it, Bluetooth connectivity, and you can also customize here. You can see here 1x is play or pause, 2x is next track, 3x is previous track, hold is for volume increase, then voice assistant on these are for the left ears, these are for the right ears. So you can see here 2x is transparent hearing, ambient noise control, and 3x is active noise cancellation, and the hold is for volume increase. Here hold is for volume decrease. So those are the controls. You can see that there is an also LED indicator for charging status, and accept calls. You can left or right. You can press 1x to reject call, 2x. So those are the options included. So now let's pair this to our smartphone. So now we have paired the Sennheiser True Wireless 2 earphones to our smartphone, and basically there is an app as well. You can configure that app. Now talking about the sound quality definitely looks really good. There is active noise cancellation included. You can just triple tap on the right earbuds, and you can get active noise cancellation, and you can also go with the surrounding mode, wherein you get you know the surrounding sound level even while you're listening. That is also included. So you can see that this definitely looks a bit bigger. So we have tried these earphones for some time, and the sound quality is something which is superb. The comfort levels are also really good. Now we'll have to test it more for to get an idea about how the sound quality is for different kind of tracks. So that we'll do in the coming days, and you can see that this definitely looks good. Overall the case also looks really neat. You can see that the case looks pretty good. the material quality, fit and finish also looks really great. So that's the case. So now we'll just show you the app as well. So you can see this is the app, and we have controls for transparent hearing. Equalizer is there. You can go with the bass performance. So here we have the more bass, and if you want more triple, you can go here, this kind of neutral, and you can customize it based on how you want the sound quality to appear. So these are basic customization available, and you can also see that some options are included, and you can do earbuds customization. You can see here play pause is tap 1x, and this can be configured basically for the left and the right earbuds. You can actually configure what all you want to do. Say for example, if you want single tap to be the ANC, so here we have the option to customize. Just tap on it, and here we have all the options, so you can basically customize what function you want. And right now it's voice assistant, so if you want ANC for single tap, and you can go with the voice assistant for triple tap, so those things can be done. You can click customize, and the customization options will be changed here. So that's how it works. So overall we have tried these earphones for quite some time, and they actually looks pretty good, and the overall sound quality also looks really nice. So we'll be reviewing these in the coming days after using for like 1 week or so. So stay tuned for our channel for the detailed review coming up later. So that's all guys, with unboxing and hands-on with the Sennheiser True wireless earphones, the Momentum 2, and hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.